Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about file handling in Python. File handling is used to create files, read files, write data and store information permanently. Normally program data disappears after execution. But file helps save data for future use. Python use the open function to work with files. Basic syntax is open file name comma mode. Different modes are used for different operations. Common modes are read, write, and append, and W, R, and A is the words. Let's open a file in read mode. Example file equals to open sample dot text comma r. Python opens the file named sample.txt for reading. Now let's read the file data from the file. So print.read data, print print file.read. This displays all contents from the file. Finally, we should close the file. So for example, file.close. Open is used to work with file in Python. Now let's learn about write and append operations. Write mode is used to write data into a file. File equals to open sample.txt comma w. File dot write hello print hello Python. File do not close. This writes hello Python into the file. Important point is the write mode removes all old data and replaces it with new data. Now let's learn append mode. Append mode adds new data without deleting old data. File equals to open sample dot text comma a, file dot write welcome, and file dot close. Now the new text is added at the end of the file. Difference between write and append is write overwrites old content and a adds new content. So quick recap is open opens the file, read reads the file, write writes the file, and append adds the file. So today you learned about how file handling works, how to open files, read files, write files, and append data in Python. Keep practicing and happy coding.